What's good, guys? Today's Monday, the first day of the week, and I just took a trade on gold. I don't know if you guys can see this clearly. So this is the trade here. My stop loss is above and TP have been set already. But one thing is this price has been consolidating on this spot here for about 2 hours now. Can't know what the market is going to do at the end of the day. I don't know if this market is going to hit TP or stop loss. I just have to see my setup and take advantage of it. That's just my responsibility as a trader, and that's what I did here. Let's see how this is going to be. I'm going to update you guys how this trade finally plays out. Anyway, catch you guys later. I don't know if you guys can peep Mother Mary. Mother Mary, pray for me, pray for my setup, pray for my trade, please. The ability to record while walking. I can do this now. Wow. Update you guys later. So guys, at this point price has hit my 1:1. I told you earlier I'm going to update you if price hit 1:1 or if it hit my stop loss. Right now at the moment it has hit 1:1 and my stop loss is adjusted to my entry. If price comes back, I'm not losing anything on this trade. This is a risk-free trade now. Let's see, TP is below. You can see just like few pips away. I think like 40 pips away from TP. Or to TP, 40 pips away to TP. That's just what's left. I'm going to update you guys how this trade finally plays out. So guys, that trade has hit TP. This is just the first trade of the week. Let me show you guys. So this is the trade here. You can see I made over 2% on this account, which is $105. My risk for this trade was $50. I went for 1:2. Let me show you guys my Telegram channel. I updated the Telegram channel that this trade has hit TP. So this is the Telegram channel here. I updated, see it here, TP hit, great start for the week. You can see this was the setup when I initially took the setup. When I broke even secured. This was the trade. I updated the break even, and this is the final TP hit on the Telegram channel. This was the analysis and everything. It's a new week, hope for better result and profitable week ahead. So this is it. If you want to join the Telegram channel, the link in the description to join the Telegram channel. So the reason there's powder on my face is because I'm trying to treat this acne. Like bro, I've been trying everything. I literally wash my face every 2 hours just to avoid acne. It keeps coming back. I don't know if someone can recommend something I can do to get acne off my life totally. If you look up here, you notice that this is the trade from the trading view. This was the trade if you were asking, because today I didn't use my laptop to trade. I just used only my phone. It just came to my mind that I can use just my phones to trade. Like 2 phones I'm using. I can just use both of them to trade and avoid using my laptop. Today I didn't even put on my laptop. I got into the trade and I'm done for today. I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow. For today, I'm done. So what's good, guys? Today is Tuesday and I just took my second trade of the week on good.
Nothing is good, guys.
So let me show you guys. So today I'm trading with my system. You can see the position. The price is half close to my stop loss. I'm floating $21 negative. Let's see how this is gonna be. I'm going to update you guys how this trade finally plays out. Overall, I'm risking about 1% on this trade. So you can see here the current balance is $5,055. Yesterday I made about 105 or thereabout. So I'm up 1% on this account. If I lose this trade, I'll be back to break even. But if I win the trade, then it's going to take me back to 3%. Let's see how this is going to be. I'm going to update you guys as usual. So guys, I don't chop loss. Chai. Guys, let me show you the trade. I just took a loss on good. Let me show you.
Speak American English, I don't chop loss right now.
So guys, this is the trade here. You can see this was the previous point of interest, or let's say area of attention I was looking for, but I took a, let's say, immediate setup here. Price stopped me out. Now it's coming back to my previous zone I marked out initially. This was yesterday trade. Just imagine I caught the whole move. This is about 1:6. Let me show you. This week for those two, just imagine I catch the whole move. This week for those two, bro, like see 1:6. Should work on holding some trades, not all though, because the market can't keep on moving like this every day, but it's going to happen occasionally and I should be involved with those type of move. So I caught only 1:2 yesterday, and today a stop loss. I'm down 1%. No, I'm up 1 hour for the week. Let me journaling my trade. Yeah, look at let's go back to my main platform. I initially told you that if I take a loss on this trade, my balance will go back to break even, which is $5,000. This is about $5,007, 5,007 USD, something like that. So today I lost. Don't mind this one. This one was yesterday trade. So today I lost $47. That's close to like 1%, $50. Anyway, I'm not trading tomorrow, Wednesday. You guys know I take only 3 setup for the week. This week can be an unprofitable week because if I lose next trade, then this week is gonna be a break-even week. That's one thing I love about winning the first trade of the week. If I take a win the first trade of the week, don't worry, don't bother about that week. I'm not losing that week. Worse, bad as a bad, break even. Bad as a bad, break even. If I come on Thursday, I take a win on the trade on Thursday, I'm going to be up 3 arrow, which is a very good week for me. But if I take a loss, it's going to be a break even week for me. So I'm going to catch you guys on Thursday. For today, I'm done trading. What's good, guys? Today is Thursday and I just took my last trade of the week on gold. Let me show you guys. You can see here I lost about $48 today on this particular trade I took on gold. You can see the trade here, this gold trade. Look at this setup I just marked during New York session. This should have been the setup I should be taking if I had waited for New York session and thereabout. But bro, you just have to stick to your rule. That's the most important thing. I think most of the time I've been trying to long go this week. Losses, bro. Losses. The only shot I caught was a winner. Losses, bro. Gold is typically bearish, and all the whole buys have been a counter trend trade. You can see this one, a counter trend. The sells is the main trend. You can see bearish correction, which you can call a pullback. Then now we need that bearish continuation again on gold, maybe to reach this low here. And I've been trying to buy, though counter trend they work sometimes. Like honestly speaking, there are sometimes you come to the market, you place counter trend setup that match with your criteria and everything, and you're going to catch the market winning trade. You can see today now it's like it's going well, it's making sense. But that's it. I lost the market. There's nothing I can do. I can only come back next week and get better. I can't undo the loss, but I can apply maybe something I can use to improve my next trade. It could be experience, it could be knowledge, whatever reason. So guys, I'll not be trading tomorrow, Friday. You guys know I take only 3 setup a week, and to be honest with you, taking 3 setup a week alone is an edge, because if I'm disciplined to this type of rule, it's going to make me trade less, and trading less means I'm not going to be exposing myself to the market that much. That alone is an edge that can help me become profitable, aside the market knowledge, the market analysis, or whatever I might know in the market. No matter what I know in the market, that cannot stop me from taking a loss. So I need to build in discipline on other aspects of my trading, which are the attitude and behavior, to help me become profitable, because that's basically an edge. So this week I didn't lose anything to the market. It was a break-even week. This type of week is so boring. Like this type of week, you making nothing from the market is boring. Even days you making nothing from the market is so boring. By the end of the day, trading is a win, loss, or draw. You win some, you lose some, you break even some. That alone is all about profitability, because you can't keep on winning every day. There's no trader on earth that keeps on winning every day. It's not possible. So you just have to live with the results and come back the next time and do better. We learn from our experience, come back and do better than the previous time. And let me show you guys something again. Yesterday I caught this setup during New York session, but I didn't place any trade yesterday because yesterday is a no trade day for me. I was just looking at the charts since I was less busy. I was not doing anything, so I just look at the chart, but I didn't place any trade, and I caught this setup that matched with my criteria, and it's a winning one. Then for my journal now, let's go back to my journal. Overall for this month, this is the first day. The first trade of the month was taken 3rd. Overall for this month, I've taken about 13 trades. It was supposed to be 12. Like normally it's supposed to be 12 because I take 3 trades a week. But this month is like weird. The month started with a Thursday, something like that. The month started with a midweek. So it's ending with a midweek too, something like that. I think today is Thursday and today is the last day of the month, so it started with the midweek, ending with the midweek. That means it's not going to be like around 12 trades for me to take this month. It ended up as 13 trades, and I lost a lot of trades, bro. This month was a month I experienced losing streaks, about 4 losses in a row. Like, I lost a lot of trades. Let's go up so you're gonna see it. If you come back to here, you notice I lost this trade, one, a break even, lost this one, a break even, lost this one, then I lost another one. Then this win here was, I think, 2 weeks ago. I told you guys I took out Nasdaq from my watch list and I'm trading good London and New York session. This when I started. Okay, this was Nasdaq. Then I think it was this day, the Monday. I remember this documentary I posted last 2 weeks. I told you guys I'm taking out New York session and I'm adding London section, 2 hours London, 2 hours New York. And since then, I think it has improved from the losing streaks. I told you guys the reason for doing that was to see how I can improve my edge and improve my data. And I keep on improving, bro. It doesn't stop. If I stop improving, that's the day I start falling, because every day we learn, every day we can improve, every day we can get 1% better. Why won't I apply that, bro? You just like trying to find way to get 1% better every day, learn something new, learn something that can impact your trading 1% every day. That's it. And guys, this is the P&L for this week. I'm going to put the screenshot up too. You can see I made just $9. I took 3 trades. The first one I made $105. The second one I lost 47. The last one I lost 48. So to sum it up for the week, I just made $9, which is like, you can call it little profit, but for this I can say this is a break even. I'm going to catch you guys next week. This week I'm done trading. Break even week, not a bad one. A lot of people blew their account this week, but I closed break even. That's like an improvement to me. I'm always getting better every day, every minute, every second, and every month. 1% better every day till I die. That's just the goal. And I feel like that's like a growth mentality. Try to learn something to improve yourself, or try to do something to get better consistently. Because if you stop evolving, you start dying. If you stop evolving in life, you start dying. Whether trading, whether our like reality as a whole, if you stop evolving, you start dying. So that consciousness to always try to increase yourself or improve yourself is very important. I hope to catch you guys on the next series. This series is done since I'm done trading for this week. I document my trading journey on this channel. If you love this type of thing, you can join the community, hit the like button, and also subscribe and join us. We are moving up, forever bullish, you know the vibe. So I'm going to catch you guys next week. Today I'm done. I hope you guys have a nice weekend, and bless you all for tuning in. Peace out, guys.